Oh.
Griffey, can you say yes?
Yes.
Say yes?
Yes.
Good job. Whoop! Whoopsie.
She.
What's your balloon doing, Geneva?
I get up early.
Griffey, no.
Smile.
You want to see sister? Look.
He said smile.
Smile. Good job.
Smile.
Here's you. Here's Griffey. Woohoo. Woohoo. Can you smile?
Smile.
Smile.
Toss the ball.
All right, Griffey, go play with your balloon.
Hey, did it go down?
Show us how to play. What happened, Geneva? Oh, okay. There you go.
Again.
Don't play it with your teeth. That's not a good idea.
But why?
I don't know. I just see something bad happening.